Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. I want you guys to please check out this chick face framing short natural haircut that will always refresh your hairstyle. It's a hairstyle that will really create that visual dimension to your face and accentuate your cheekbones, and it will also accentuate your jawline. This haircut today is for beautiful women that really want a simple yet classy haircut. You can see how the style is flattering, and you can see how it will always add dimension whether you have gray hair or the salt and peppered. It will make you look so youthful and vibrant, and it's a cut for every beautiful black women because it's the best way to accentuate your face shape, your cheekbone, and your jaw line. I love this natural haircut because it's really age appropriate, and you can see how it's a style that will really make you feel comfortable to wear, most especially for the matured women. And you can see how it will always add volume to your thinning hair and refresh your look while it's still keeping it classy. So these are one of the latest short natural haircut for older women because they are playful. They are a perfect way for you to add texture and dimension to your classic cut, which is that key, which we want, that will help us to keep us looking so youthful. So you can try variants of the styles and let me know how you feel about the style in my comment section below. Don't forget that Short Natural Hairstyles lives here, and we are here to bring the best of styles that will accentuate your style, and you don't need to feel confined to a single style because of your age, because this video today and my channel as a whole is here to bring those spice, like spicing up your appearance over the age of 50 with this beautiful short natural haircut we have for you. If it's your first time here wearing this styles, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video, and let us know your minds in the comment section below. Say hello to Winnie Styles. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.